Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jamie. I make cleaning and organizing videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and I would love for you to join us. We're a military family currently living overseas in Germany. I am going to be tackling keeping up chores during a busy weekend, cleaning up after our Sunday at the lake, and organizing some spaces in my home. Keep watching for some serious motivation. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I'm finally tackling the top of my fridge. It is a large empty space and a small kitchen, so we definitely need to utilize the space. It's a part of the kitchen that is on display, so some matching baskets or bins should make it look less messy. Ain't nobody like you, look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. I got these bins from a German store called Action. It's pretty comparable to the Dollar Tree, so if you live in Germany or you are moving to Germany, it's definitely one of their better kept secrets and you have to check it out. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I've decided I'm going to use one of the bins for crackers and chips, which we seem to have a lot of at the moment. I think it's because it's summertime and we're doing a lot of eating outdoors and picnics. We usually don't keep very many things on hand, maybe one thing of pita chips and some tortilla chips, so the basket size would be perfect in the future. And then the second bin I've decided to use for breakfast foods, so we have some granola, some Cheerios, and I think I ended up adding some additional crackers in there. And then the last two bins is going to be protein or large supplements. So one of the bins is my husband's supplements and one of the bins is my supplements. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. I've also decided that I need to try something different with my spices. They just seem to be piling up, so I'm just giving them a good wipe down, all the grime that's gotten on top of some of them. And then I'm going to organize them into these little trays or boxes that I also got from Action. They don't end up all fitting in the two trays, but I knew that the two were all that were going to fit in my cupboard. I might get some more because they were fairly cheap and they're really good quality. And so just for the future, which I don't usually like to plan for, but I think that these will be something that I will continue to utilize for my spices. So I'm going to grab a couple more, hoping that we have more pantry space in our American home.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on
Like I said, they don't end up all fitting, but they do look a lot nicer. And I'm just showing you some other organization techniques that I'm trying with these little bins for different things.
silent treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder.
I picked up some cleaner for my coffee maker, so I'm trying it out in my Ninja. The directions are in German and I don't feel like taking the time to translate it, so I'm just reading the amounts for water and product, and hopefully that's enough. I was just gonna run it through a coffee cycle, but then I saw that there was a button for cleaning your Ninja. I'm always finding new things on that. It's later the same day and we have just returned from the lake, so I'm just gonna empty out and clean our cooler and then empty out our bag full of snacks and miscellaneous items.
Pick up the dice, give it a roll. You never really know which way to go. Feel it inside, feel the spark. Lift you up when you're falling apart. We think we know it all. We stand 10 feet small, with our head under ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone? When you're naked and broken with nowhere to go. Does somebody know? Does somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by snow? Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Does somebody know? What you are, like what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal. So pick up the dice, give it a roll. Get yourself up when you're left out alone. We think we know it all. We stand 10 feet small, with our head under ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone? When you're naked and broken, nowhere to go. Does somebody know? Does somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by snow? Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Does somebody know?
So my husband's birthday is coming up this week, so I've decided to try and make his favorite meal, ceviche. So that's what I'm emptying out right here, the ingredients for that, and the ingredients for some chocolate cheesecake brownies. And let me tell you, I made both, and they both turned out quite well, if I do say so myself. Also, I just want to ease everyone's concern. We do use reusable bags at the grocery store, but our military commissary doesn't allow reusable bags during the pandemic, so we have to use the plastic bags that they've supplied us. Also, I don't just throw them in the trash. I have a storage container in there so that I can reuse them in my bathroom.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me.
Like I said previously, organization is a forever task in this house, so I have bought a bin to organize some of our puppy stuff into. I'm just folding some of the clothes that we have that are actually really too small for Olaf. They've either been given to us or came from other family dogs, and they're just too cute to get rid of, so sometimes I will take an Instagram pic of him in them, but I really don't have him wear them. The only clothing that he actually wears is his winter coat when we go for a walk and it's cold out, and he really doesn't mind that. I'm also storing some medicine and some grooming tools that we don't regularly use, as well as some interactive toys that we also don't find ourselves frequently reaching for.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I'm putting things back into this basket that we frequently reach for. So his flea and tick medicine, heart guard, treats, some poo bags, leashes, collars, that kind of thing.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated.
I'm sure you've noticed that my dog is normally right at my ankles, but in this video he was not because he went to the vet today and he is just simply not very happy. These are the bins I put my recyclables in, and I had just emptied them at the recycling center, so I'm giving them a good clean. I don't always clean them out, but I let them get pretty full this time, and even though I do rinse the cans and the bottles, you know, of course, it still gets sticky down there. I can't control what my husband does. I know that recycling policies vary state by state in America, probably even county by county, but in Germany it's very strict. But because it's more regulated, I also find it's a lot easier and more available to do. We have recycling centers on post, off post, we have like recycling pods throughout our village and throughout Germany. So that's what I have just done. I just took my glass and my aluminum to one of the pods that's a few blocks away and recycled it. We have a paper bin that gets picked up bi-weekly. And then our plastic bottles, you can just bring right back to the local grocery store and get money back for them.
Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. My mind's accelerating, your eyes intoxicating. I find it hard to explain. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours.